What we are doing in our city is that we're trying to establish a reuse facility at the same location where we have a recycling center where people go and throw away their waste today, but the waste have a financial value which we will try to save in this new reuse facility, which we call the reuse village. So in the reuse village you can, on voluntarily basis, as a citizen, you can leave your unwanted things, but which might have a financial value, and then there will be the things will be taken care of, being refurbished and repainted and so on, and the financial value will be upgraded, and that could create jobs and reduce the amount of waste which is being incinerated or recycled.
You like to talk not about waste, but of byproducts.
Yeah, we try to not to talk about waste, since due to legal restrictions, when we have waste, we are not allowed to treat the waste as we want to. Then we have to treat it as waste, and then we cannot take it up from the garbage containers and recycle it. But if we don't call it waste before you throw it in the container, then we are allowed to upgrade them and upcycle the material.
Is this a project for the citizens or more for the companies?
This is for both purposes, actually. So this specific compound, both citizen and smaller companies go and leave their things. So we hope to collect material from both those sectors.
It is started with an initiative from Macken.
Yeah.
What is Macken?
Macken is a social cooperative in Växjö, which deals with many of those things already today, but in smaller scale. They collect waste at certain points, and they upgrade the waste and the financial value, and they manage to combine that with integration and with language skills and things like that. So yeah, that's Macken.
What is the main goal?
The main goal is to come up further, higher in the waste pyramid. So instead of recycling and incinerate the waste, we want to come up further, higher, and to reuse the waste, and also hopefully by that increase job opportunities.
Why are you here today at the Cense conference in Pelemaas?
Växjö and Macken are both partners in the Cense project, where we learn from each other and exchange experiences. And I think it's very interesting to exchange challenges also, because those initiatives like this is quite complex, and we, as a municipality, we lack the organizational structure, and we lack the experience and these things. So we hope to learn from other partners in Europe.
So the European connection is very important.
Yes, it is, because there are many other European member states which has more experience in this. I'm pretty sure of. I think Sweden is quite good at recycling, and we have a good, efficient system for that. But in this. But in the reuse sectors, we are not as experienced as maybe as you are in Holland, for example.
Do you learn something from the international context?
Yeah, learning from this morning session, it's obvious that the social corporations have a much more solid ground maybe to work on here in the Netherlands. So that's definitely something to try to understand and bring back home to Sweden. Definitely.